Hey, flying with me viewers, Romulo here. I'm going to start up the Airbus H130. We'll take off from LBH and head to Pampulha. Hey, so if you've made it this far, go ahead and leave your like and subscribe to the channel. And share it with anyone who likes aviation, okay? Let's go. I'll start the engine now. Alan is already there waiting for me, waiting for my command to start. There will be radio communication today, so stay tuned. Let's go. I'll let him know that I'm turning. Well, guys, let's start the LBH takeoff here. We'll land at Pampulha. LBH Papa Sierra India Tango Mike taking off towards Sector Echo. Taking off from the main heliport. We have taken off. LBH has taken off. Left turn to Sector Echo, heading to BH Shopping, India Tango Mike. I've taken off here. I already have the transponder set to 2011. Whoever takes off to Pampulha before calling control needs to set the transponder to 2011, okay? So I'm going to call control now. Control LBH, very good morning, Papa Sierra India Tango.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, code 0256.
0256 India Tango standing by.
Keep it close.
Heading to Parque, we'll report there, India Tango Mike. So you saw there, the controller already gave us heading to Parque. He already sped things up.
Zone 334 Alpha definition. Aircraft flight 090 PNH 1021.
Sometimes there really is interference, you know, guys. That's normal, especially in this mountainous area.
Zone 334 copied from Hotel 090 PNH 1029.
Right in front of me is Belvedere. Over there is Concordia, the building to my right. Here on the left, the Villa del Rey condominium, Nova Lima.
Zone 334, descend to 090 PNH 1029. Zone 334. To fly from Belo Horizonte 980. Call tower 1980, recording.
Look, I'm passing over BH Shopping Mall now. I'm flying towards Municipal Park, which is another position. here in Belo Horizonte. I'm descending now. I was at 4,400 feet to cross the mountain range, which I've done. Now I'll go down to about 3,800. Belo Horizonte has good weather today. We'll land at HBR. This is that interference I always talk about, radio interference.
Rodeo maintaining high speed. Has descended from 2,802 to 5,000 feet. Cleared to 10 kilos, report. Here, guys.
I'm passing the parquet position now. BH Tower, 180 India Tango Mike. She saw I was passing parquet. I'm already entering the controlled area of Pampulha. Now I'm going to call the tower. Let's go. 180 is the frequency. BH Tower, good morning. Papa Sierra India Tango, Mike passing parquet, transferring at your discretion. This is 1201020 India Tango Mike, aware of the conditions, will report at Mineirão. So go ahead and tell me. Here too, guys. If you hear someone speaking English, you can use English with the tower too, okay? They are prepared for that. So head toward Mineirão. I'm here at the Mineirão heading. Here on the right, Antonio Carlos, the Localiza building, which has a helipad on top, an excellent landing option.
Landing authorized.
Yes, landing authorized, India Tango Mike, and proceed to the hangar.
So they've already approved the landing for a plane on final approach? I have visual contact with him. He's actually turning base. And I'm going to tell her that I'm over Mineirão. Let's see if she'll clear me for a direct landing without interference. That works. Runway direct to HBR. I'm over Mineirão. India Tango Mike, visual with aircraft on final.
Cleared for approach. Land via access route.
Okay, you'll land heading north 3, approach direct to HBR, no runway interference, visual with aircraft, India Tango. So you authorized it. When you say you have a visual on the aircraft on final, you make her job easier because many times she doesn't know if you can see the plane or not. She feels more comfortable knowing you can see the aircraft. And sure, you can approach without interference. So I'm making the approach here. I'll approach directly to the edge of HBR. And the other plane is landing up ahead. It's going to pass here on the runway. I don't know if the camera will catch it. There's a plane taxiing on the left and the other one has just landed on the runway over there. And I'm going to make my landing here calmly without interfering with the runway.
Mike Bravo Oscar, on the ground on North 4. Stay on the runway, I inform. Proceeding to land on the access road.
Will we stay on the runway or go around?
India Tango Mike, monitor vehicle movement on the access road.
I see the truck. It's clearing now. India Tango Mike, thanks.
Attention, obstacle, obstacle.
Did you hear that?
Attention, obstacle, obstacle.
The helicopter tells us everything, like obstacles, warnings, everything. This machine is wonderful. So, should we land here? HBR. Access road.
India Tango Mike, go ahead on 5. Frequency clear.
Blue on 5, thanks. Good. Alright, we've landed at Pampulha. I locked the collective and turned off the lights. Successful flight. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Am I shouting?
Really? Why? Is there a machine running back there?
But leave your like for me, and don't forget, we spent 13 minutes from LBH to Pampulha, okay? Take care, God bless you. I'm out.